Hello, this is Vinny from Salt Lake City, Utah, sharing another recipe of Cafe India SLC. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mooli da Paratha, which is one of the famous type of naans from northern part of India. And for this we will need 3 cups of grated Dikon radish. You can see that this has been grated and I've squeezed the water out of it, and it's sitting there. Now to go in that, I have 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, chopped green chilies, which is about 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half a tablespoon of garam masala. Here I have used Shan garam masala. And to make the naans, I have mixed some dough, which is plain wheat flour, mixed, and it's been sitting there for about half hour. And I have some dry flour which I'll be using for making naan. So I'm going to show you how to mix this. So I take this grated Dikon radish and just add all the ingredients. I'm going to add the chili powder. Maybe I'll just add half of it first. And then I'm going to put the chaat masala. I'm going to put garam masala. Chopped chilies. And I'm going to use chopped onions. And I'm going to use the same 2 spoons here to just mix them well. Welcome back, guys. So here's the mixture of the radish and all the spices that I've put into it, and I've mixed it well. So this is what I'm going to use as a filling in my naans, which is called Mooli da Paratha. And I have the mixed dough here, dry flour for making the naan, and I have this pan on a medium flame, and I'll be using some oil. Some people use butter, so it's your choice. Whatever you like, you can use that. And I have a tortilla warmer here with a paper towel to take off the extra oil in case if there is any. So I'm going to show you how to make the naan. So I'm dipping my hand in the dry flour, taking a good piece of dough, which is like big enough. I can add a little bit more, and I'm going to make it like a ball. And then with some dry flour, I'm going to kind of make a hole in it, not really a hole, like a bowl, so I can fill the radish stuffing in it. So there you go. Take a nice spoonful of radish stuffing, press it with your spoon, and then pressing down with both your thumbs, try to cover it up and kind of seal it up and roll it into a ball again. So there you go. It needs a little bit of practice, so that's what it is. And now I'm going to kind of press it again gently into the dry flour, coat it well, and then with a rolling pin I'm going to roll it. And if you see any of these openings, you can simply add some dry flour on top of it, and just a little bit more. You can turn it as well. That'll help in not breaking it up. The important thing is that you want to roll this naan to be pretty, like, you know, equal on all the sides. The thickness should be equal. You don't want it too thick on one side and too thin on one side. So gently roll the pin on it, and once it's nice and round, and just feel the heat on the pan, and if it feels like nice and warm, that's when you're going to put this on. So you might want to let it cook on one side for about maybe a minute or a minute and a half, because it needs to cook well. This is just the raw dough made of wheat flour, and I will be showing how to mix the dough in another episode. In the meantime, while we are waiting for this to cook, I'm going to show you, I got a bowl of yogurt here for serving with the naan. I kept that ready just so I can show it to you quickly. A lot of people make raita out of yogurt, which means you can add vegetables like carrots or cucumber or tomatoes and put some salt in it, but I'm going to use plain yogurt today. And let's check on the naan here. Okay, let's turn this naan a little bit. Lift it up with the spatula. Looks like it needs to be done a little bit more. The first one always takes a while because we want this pan heated to the right temperature. Once we are on the roll, the next ones are much easier to make. So I think it's just taking time to heat it up. I'm going to go ahead and turn this. So if you see, it's slightly browning on one side, so that's exactly how you want. So I'm going to add some oil on the top. Just go like in a circle, and then some on the side as well. And then you want to just spread it evenly. You don't need to press it hard, just slightly spreading the oil to equally be spread across on the naan, and then you slowly turn it and then add a little bit more on the other side, just where it seems like dry. That's all. That's a beautiful brown color here. It looks nice. That's also a sign that the naan is cooking, the dough I mean. So you just want to gently press it a few times. And let's turn it again. Okay guys, looks like this is done. Pretty good. It looks well cooked. So I'm just going to take this and fold it halfway. And usually we put it here on in the tortilla warmer, but because I'm serving it, so it can be served with yogurt. So I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Please let me know in your comments about what you think about the recipe. Please do try it, and like and share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.